everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger not opening PC. To know how to fix or how to solve Messenger not opening PC, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Messenger here and you will enter. Then in this page you will go to click force stop. After that you will enter to storage. When you will see this page you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. And after all that you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.